Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah 2 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network, first you need to open the Wi-Fi menu. And to do it, wake up the screen on your watch, swipe down from the top of the screen until you see Wi-Fi icon. And once you find the Wi-Fi icon, tap on it. It will bring you to the Wi-Fi settings. And here, wait until the list of networks appears. And some of them will say, or not say, will have this arrow next to them. That means that this network is saved. And whenever your watch is in the vicinity of that network, it will try to connect to it. And if you don't want the watch to connect to it, you want to disconnect it, you simply tap on this arrow and then tap on delete. And once you remove the network, your watch won't attempt to connect to it anymore. And of course, later on you can reconnect to it if you want to by just selecting the network, entering the password, and then it will save on your watch again, and then watch will attempt to connect to it again later on. And basically that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.